Our fifth contestant, Andrew Weber. Drug addiction continues to be a problem. Prescription medication continues to be a major problem, with folks overdosing every day. It's tying up our medical services and judicial system. What should we do to correct the problem? Drug addiction continues to be a problem. Prescription medication continues to be a major problem, with folks overdosing every day. It's tying up our medical services and judicial system. What should we do to correct the problem?
Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and guests, allow me to tell you the story of Rat Park. You see, there are these scientists who wanted to study drug addiction and how it worked. So they collected a group of rats to test the addiction of various drugs. But they found something very strange. They had two separate groups. One group were rats that were kept in separate cages and were given heroin, I believe it was, and test to see how addictive it was. The other group were rats that were all together in one big park, it was Rat Park, and they were given basically the same doses. And they found that the rats that were living together were the ones, they experienced almost no addiction whatsoever. In fact, when they directly gave the rats the heroin, they would immediately stop drinking the water that was laced with heroin, and they would almost immediately recover and ignore the withdrawal symptoms. This experiment is still a little uncertain. They're still trying to figure out how effective this treatment is. But it suggests that one of the strongest ways to fight addiction is to help those who are addicted to prescription drugs or other addictive narcotics, is to give them a group experience, to help them bond with others. Human socialization is one of the greatest traits that we have. It's so important because it makes us stronger people when we work together. When we have friends, when we have family, when we have people whom we can work with in order to overcome our problems, that's what makes us strong. It's the greatest thing we have to help us overcome this kind of problem with society. Putting people in prison cells for using it, making them pay heavy fines, that's not the answer. The answer, I think, is to give them the sense of community and friendship that they deserve. If we can give them that, I think you'll find that this problem goes away in what might be a heartbeat.